Hey everyone, we're live here today at St. Mary's Hospital for Children, and we're here with Frankie the therapy dog, who's coming to visit the kids and bring them today. Can you tell us a little bit about the program?
Sure. Hi, everyone. We are at St. Mary's Hospital for Children today, and this is Frankie, and this is Julia. Hi. Julia, can you talk a little bit about Frankie and pet therapy and how long you've been here at St. Mary's and how pet therapy helps our kids?
Okay, so Frankie has been coming to St. Mary's for about 2 years now, and what we do here is we make visits to all the patients on the floors, and we go room by room, and a lot of these patients have never even seen a dog, so what they do is they pet her. Some of these patients don't even move sometimes, so she actually creates them to move their limbs on her and pet her, but more importantly, I think she just makes them very happy and gives them some sense of joy,
Comfort.
I guess. Yeah, comfort and joy. And they just love seeing her. I get such positive feedback from the patients here. And the staff love her too.
Yes.
I think. They love seeing it.
Yes.
How long has Frankie been a therapy dog?
She's actually been a therapy dog for about 3 years. But the first year she was in training at a nursing home, so she wasn't really official. But she's now official about 2 years, over 2 years.
How did you know that she would make a good therapy dog?
Because as a puppy, she was so gentle, and she never, teethed. She never bit anyone. She was always seeking being pet and stuff, and she just listened very well. And so I knew and her mother is also a therapy dog.
Oh, that's great.
It inspired me to do this.
And how often does she come and visit the children at St. Mary's?
She comes to St. Mary's at least once a month, but we also go to other hospitals and nursing homes, so I kind of have to do that in the rotation. So she's here once a month. She goes to Jamaica Hospital once a month. She goes to nursing homes once a month, schools. So she's very popular.
It seems like everyone's really happy, her and the kids.
They do love her, though. And sometimes kids who are afraid of her, they actually overcome their fears as she keeps coming every month.
And how long does she normally stay with the children?
About an hour, hour and a half, depending on what floors we can go to. But usually an hour and a half is her cutoff, and then she gets tired because she's constantly working.
Yeah.
And when she gets a break, how does she know that she's off duty?
Her vest comes off, and then she becomes a dog again, like a regular.
And she gets to rest and play just like every other dog.
Yeah. But this is how she is at home, though. So she just is this gentle.
Does she do individual training with any dogs?
No, I trained her myself. But what we do is we go to training classes with other dogs there, so she has distractions, and she has to be able to follow my commands with all the distractions, which she does very well. She still goes every week we take her.
Oh, that's great. And then does she meet with any children individually to work with them on anything that they're working on?
I haven't been asked to, but I would be open to it. I mean, that hasn't come up, but I've actually taken her to Adelphi University, where they actually asked me to be in their autistic program, which she does now. It's called Bridges to Adelphi, and she goes there now once a month too.
Oh, that's great.
Can you sit? All right, hold on. Sit for me. Sit. There she goes. I know.
Do any of the kids ever get to help train her or have her sit and give her treats?
They're not allowed to give her treats because just in case, they're
Just like a safety precaution.
Yeah, it's a safety thing. I'm the only one that can give her the treats.
That makes total sense.
Yeah, just in case. I don't want the children to be afraid. And I think
So if anyone would like to find out more information about St. Mary's Hospital for Children and our pet therapy program, they can visit our website at stmaryskids.org.
And if they'd like to follow you guys on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, what are your handles?
Sure. You can find us on Facebook at St. Mary's Healthcare System for Children, and our Twitter handle is St. Mary's Kids NY.
Great. And we'll be posting a link in the top comments on Facebook so you can follow them and see more about what they do every day and all the different therapy dogs they have. You have several different therapy dogs that come with the children, correct?
We do. We have several different ones. We have Frankie, we have Polo, we have Pumpkin, we have a ton, and they're all adorable. Great. Rosie, you want to come? You want to come and see the puppy? Come on. This is Rosie. She's part of our medical day healthcare program here at St. Mary's.
Francis asks how you get papers to certify a dog as a therapy dog. They're interested in doing it with their dog.
How do you get papers for certifying?
Okay, so you can go on the website of Alliance of Therapy Dogs, and that's the alliance that certified her. So you just go online and you look for all the information. They tell you what you need to do, what requirements, and then you can find an evaluator near your location.
What was the website? Alliance
of Therapy Dogs.
Alliance of Therapy Dogs.
And that's who she is.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So again, if you'd like to follow St. Mary's, can you just repeat the Facebook page one more time, which will be posted in the top comment?
Sure. Our Facebook page is St. Mary's Healthcare System for Children. And for Twitter, we are at St. Mary's Kids NY.
Awesome. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.